Now I'll show you top 3 drones from Amazon, all links in the description. Let's start with an inexpensive but no less cool drone. DJI Mini 2 SE, lightweight and portable. The drone is lightweight and compact, weighing less than 249 grams. It's perfect for taking on hikes, road trips, and other adventures, allowing you to capture stunning aerial moments from above wherever you go. Beginner-friendly with simplified operations, the drone is easy to learn and master quickly, making it ideal for beginners. It has a return-to-home function for added safety, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Extended flight time. Enjoy longer flights with DJI Mini 2 SE, which offers a 31 min max flight time. Combo offers 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, 3 in total, for up to 93 minutes of total flight time. Explore and create more. Just a few taps for epic imaging. The DJI Fly app has easy-to-use shooting templates that allow the drone to automatically fly, record, and generate professional-level videos that can be shared directly on social media. Advanced transmission range. Get a 10 km max transmission range to reliably fly farther and capture more. Compared to Wi-Fi, DJI OcuSync is significantly stronger, offering enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference compatibilities. 38 kph Level 5. Wind resistance. DJI Mini 2 SE flies with reliable stability even in winds up to 38 kph, letting you fly and capture content more reliably in more places. Note: the DJI RCN1 cable, lightning connector, is located inside the RCN1 remote controller. DJI Mini 3 Pro, carefree creation. Weighing less than 249 grams, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Max ascent speed 8 meters per second. Seriously, pro shots capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K 60 FPS video and 48MP photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. Perfect portraits in a tap. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Sweet air time. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Fly with confidence. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tri-directional obstacle sensing and OPAS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. Create and share on the go. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. Includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight. Max wind speed resistance 10.7 meters per second. Level 5. DJI Mavic 3 Classic, 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera. The legendary Swedish brand Hasselblad customized the L2D20C aerial camera for the Mavic 3 series, embedding a professional-grade 4/3 CMOS into an incredibly compact space. 5.1K HD video, professional-grade imaging performance for sharper details. It can also record 4K 60 FPS pictures through oversampling technology. 46 min max flight time, compatible with Mavic 3 series batteries for up to 40 minutes of hovering and up to 46 minutes of flight time. Empowers creators to capture more content with less worry. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing with OPAS 5.0. Mavic 3 Classic can detect objects in all directions at all times during flight and smoothly avoid obstacles, making flights exceptionally safe. 15 km HD video transmission. Mavic 3 Classic offers a 15 km, 9.3 miles, max transmission range. This extends shooting possibilities with stable signal and a crystal-clear 1080p 60 FPS feed. Advanced RTH. Mavic 3 Classic can automatically calculate and execute an optimized route back to a set home point. With this intelligent and convenient feature that gives pilots greater peace of mind. Includes the drone and the DJI RC remote controller, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight. The waypoint flight function allows Mavic 3 Classic to automatically fly and precisely repeat flight routes along pre-selected aerial points.